Have you ever wondered how to practically generate a draft version of strategic frameworks like Porter's Five Forces using ChatGPT? As product managers and innovators, leveraging GenAI tools like ChatGPT can significantly streamline our market analysis efforts, saving time and enhancing accuracy. These tools are now integral to modern product management business analysis workflows. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to effortlessly generate a detailed Porter's Five Forces model using ChatGPT, specifically tailored for Amazon's style bookstore. This will show how GenAI can enhance traditional frameworks with speed and clarity. So now what we are going to do is use the prompt we generated in this example to actually generate the Porter's Five Forces model using ChatGPT. I'm going to quickly copy the prompt we have written and post it into ChatGPT. What I've done is instead of starting a new thread, I'm going to use an existing thread. The reason is that for this particular product, Amazon style bookstore, I've already created a thread where I generated other models as well. That's why I'm going to use the same existing thread as I've done prior analysis there. This helps maintain context and improves the relevance of the AI generated content. Before posting the prompt, I'll quickly fix any grammar issues in it and then send it to ChatGPT. ChatGPT has started generating the response. If you look at the output, it has started generating each section. For example, bargaining power of suppliers, threat of substitute products, bargaining power of buyers. Each of these sections is being generated. It has also provided a rating for each section. For instance, medium for the first section, medium for the second, high for the third, and so on. Additionally, it has explained the reasoning behind each rating. This structured breakdown is essential for decision makers reviewing competitive dynamics. For example, in the section Bargaining Power of Suppliers, it has given a medium rating and included reasons to support that rating. Now that ChatGPT has generated the output, I'm going to quickly copy it using the copy button and paste it into the template we've created for Porter's Five Forces model. I've now ported the output from ChatGPT into our template. This includes the ratings for each of the forces and the reasoning behind those ratings. I've also applied a color scheme, red for high, amber for medium, and green for low ratings, using the standard RAG, red, amber, green coloring. This visual aid makes the final output easier to interpret and share. Finally, I've recorded the ratings accordingly. At this point, you have a presentable and actionable model ready for review or presentation. In summary, you've seen how quickly and effectively ChatGPT can help you generate Porter's Five Forces and analysis, enhancing clarity and speeding up your strategic planning processes. With just a few prompts, you can build a model that traditionally takes hours to draft. Thank you for exploring this practical application of ChatGPT for product management and innovation. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video.